Welcome back to the channel. On today's recap, we caught 2 setups. Missed the first one because it wasn't in London, but should have taken it just to see how it plays out. But then we did sort of enter on this one, but because my psychology is like really low at the moment, I need to just improve in my like just psychology a bit, because it's just been a lot like the setups are like good, they've played out, but like the psychology behind it is just like it's not the best. So I did exit the trade, but I did manage to make the money we lost yesterday on the eval account. So as you can see, I just play forward. So we did get a fair value gap, it was a fresh 1 hour bearish fair value gap tap, which was forming in the 1 hour plus 30-minute candle high with order flow as well. So it was 15% strong bearish, which was very high. And so we set our stop loss, which led us targeting, honestly, a forward RR, but we could have let it run to a nice 7 RR trade. So if I show you here quickly, so I would have set my stop loss on the nearest high and my take price to the nearest low, because as you can see it's forming this high low, and you would just target that. So I'll do that and basically just let this play. So we would have kept going. I just let it play. I would have gone break even in this candle just to secure some sort of setup, and just let that trade run pretty much. I'll just show you on the defib as well what that would have looked like. So defib, we let that play out, move our stop loss around there, confirm, just let that play out. Yep, that trade would have absolutely hit on this bagging setup. And then we did get another fair value gap here. So yet again, I set what I should have done is just let it run, but I only need like 1200 just to pass the account. So yet again, we just set it to nearest there, and then I take profit to the nearest low, higher low. Well, it's either higher low or lower low. Well, you can see it's a bearish, so it's like, but it's going on an upward trend. But if you go on the 15-minute time frame, yeah, it's just bearish all the way, like even in the Asia session of this day. So basically sell here and just let the trade run again. Well, just before I do that, I'll show you my defib setup. So like where exactly I would set my break-even points. So we've tapped in. I did exit out of here because it was playing. I would confirm, and I would have gone past break even, secure that, and then it did go up a bit, and then we managed see another take profit. So that would have, honestly, that would have been, if we took a short, so if we entered on here and then just literally let this run on a funded account, that would have been like amazing. So if we pretend, set it up, set there, that would have been 3.4 grand in the matter of, so This was before market open. 347. In a matter of half an hour, give or take, we would have made 3.4k in USD, which is about 6k roughly. I could be wrong, but yeah. So that was today's trade, guys. The main point for this trade recap is just so I can just improve my psychology, because it's, at the matter of fact, it is a little bit shit. So I just need to practice that, and just honestly, just let the trade runs. And if it hits my stop loss, oh well. If it hits my take profit, it's just a win. And if it hits my, I only lose a bit on the stop loss, and then on the take profit, I'll hit big. So other than that, that was our trade recap today. Yeah, thanks for watching, and peace.